Hello students, in last class you have learned about different types of allergies. In today's class you will learn about allergy testing. Allergy testing is done by two methods, means there are two methods which helps in testing allergy. First is skin prick test and second is allergy blood test. See, first test is skin prick test. In this test, the allergen extracts. Allergen means the substances which causes allergy. That extracts are pricked into the patient's skin. Intradermally means, dermal means skin, means just beneath the skin. It is injected or pricked with a needle or syringe. After pricking, the allergic symptoms appear in the form of blisters within 20 to 30 minutes. Means in this test, skin prick test, the allergens are directly injected into the patient's skin and symptoms appear within 20 to 30 minutes of injection. Second test is allergy blood test. This test is the safest test, as in this the allergens are not directly injected into the patient body, as in this method the blood sample is taken and tested. In this test, the concentration of a specific antibody, that is immunoglobulin E, is measured. As I explained earlier that when a allergen enters in a body, our immune system becomes active, and against that allergen our immune system produces some kind of antibody. That antibody is IgE. That is, Ig stands for immunoglobulin and E is a type of antibody. The severity of allergy is measured by the concentration of IgE antibody. If the concentration of IgE antibody is higher, the severity is more. If the immunoglobulin IgE concentration is less, there is allergic symptoms also will be less. So this method is the safest, considered as safest method, because the allergens are not directly injected into the patient body, as a blood sample is taken and tested in lab. Now the next is treatment. Treatment, no permanent treatment is for any allergy, as it cannot be cured permanently. So the best treatment is avoid known allergen. If you know the type of allergen which is your body is allergic towards that allergen, if you know about that allergen, the best method is to avoid that allergen. The next is medication. Medication means after allergic symptoms, when allergic symptoms arises in the body, or when these symptoms, some medications are preferred by the doctors. That medication is depend upon the type of allergic reaction. The last treatment is immunotherapy. In this immunotherapy, the amount of allergen, means the person's body is exposed to a particular allergen, and gradually and slowly that exposure increases with the increase in the amount of allergen. Means slowly the amount of allergen is increased with the time of exposure. This method is useful in some type of allergies such as hay fever and reactions to insect bites. Today's homework, question number 1. Explain different methods of allergy testing. Question number 2. Explain about the treatments for allergy. This is your last topic of chapter 5. Write these answers in your biology notebook and keep a record of everyday questions given in videos. Thank you.